As you know, we've had a whole bunch of the AAS, the All-America Selection winter plants planted out here in the gardens this year. And today I wanted to highlight the peppers that we have. We have some really great selections. I'm really impressed with them. They have done really well all year long, and they're really quite spectacular right now as we go into the fall. The first one here, this is called Pretty and Sweet. You can see it's a nice compact plant, only reaching about 18 inches high, multicolored fruit. And also supposed to be kind of nice and sweet as well. It's really pretty. You know, makes a great ornamental plant, but it's also edible. And someone through the selection process gave it the term of an ornamentable. So I think a nice fitting name for this plant. The next one is a chili pie, or the name of it's chili pie. This is a miniature bell pepper. Also a nice compact plant, only reaching about 18 inches high. And the peppers will mature to a bright red. So a nice bright red miniature bell pepper, also supposed to have a really nice flavor to it. The next one here is a Hungarian pepper, which I understand is supposed to be pretty hot. But this one is supposed to have is more semi-hot, and it's called Mexican Sunrise. The fruit on this are really attractive as well. They actually start out a lime green to yellow, and then mature to an orange and then red, kind of mimicking the sunrise. So this one is also a nice compact plant, very prolific, has some great fruit, great flavor. It's supposed to be good for eating fresh, for pickling, as well as for processing. The next variety we have in our display is a cayenne pepper. This one's called Red Ember. You can see it also develops into some bright red fruits. And notice that the ends of the peppers are rounded instead of pointy like many of the cayenne peppers have. It's also a nice compact plant. Develops and matures early, so you can start harvesting them early on in the season, and they'll continue on into the fall. They are said to have a semi hot to sweet flavor to it, and some people consider this one a little bit tastier than maybe some of the other cayennes. This next one is called Cameo. This is a nice upright plant. The fruits are held up off of the ground, so you don't have to worry about them rotting. It has a nice golden yellow color. This was a 2016 winner. So again, another nice, all of them are really nice compact plants, so they work great in small space, in a container, etc. And then the last one here, this is the called Cornito Giallo, and it also has a nice bright yellow fruit on it. Also nice, compact, and considered to have a great flavor. The last two peppers I want to show you are actually ornamental peppers. And I just love these plants. They are so fantastic. I mean, look at how gorgeous they are. This one's called Black Hawk, and you can see it has black to red fruit on it, so very attractive, which contrasts nicely against the dark green to darker, almost black leaves as well. Look how nice and compact this is. It only grows about 6 to 10 inches, and again, it's just a really spectacular variety. And this last one here, this one's called Onyx Red. And look at how dark purple, almost black the leaves are. Also contrasting really nicely with the bright, shiny red fruits. Nice compact plant, very tidy, very neat, full of fruits, and another fantastic ornamental pepper.
We hope you enjoyed this video. It's part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on our OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.